So in level 1, we have learned to get the negative energies absorbed by the ground. Why we are getting it absorbed by the ground? Because we consider Mother Earth, ground as the Mother Earth, and Mother has whole lot of capacity to absorb negative energy of the child, right? When we come to level 2, I told you while room charging, you can get the negative energies absorbed by the water. Why water? Because out of 5 elements, water is the only element which never bounces back the negative energies, right? It absorbs the negativity. Again, water is also, if we talk it about the element or something, so astrologically water is moon, Chandra. Chandra is related to again mother. Again, the mother has whole lot of capacity to absorb negative energy. So water is the only element which absorbs negative energies and never bounces back. So now, in an energy, there's a fundamental energy that energy can always be transformed. It can never be depleted. We transform energy. Now, in level 3, we will be using few techniques which are very deeper cleansing technique for chronic issues, whether mental, physical, emotional. So for that, we'll in level 3, we'll be using violet fire to get the negative energies absorbed, right? So the way to invoke the violet fire, you need to, I'll be explaining you, and because tomorrow what process we'll be learning, that in that we'll be using violet flame. So how to invoke the violet flame? Whatever is the process you are going to start, right? Before prayer, even you can invoke the flame, or after the prayer you can invoke the flame. अगर बीच में भूल गए हैं, initially beginning में invoke करना भूल गए हैं, so while doing the process, when you collect the negative energies and when you need to blow out, holding yourself, you can invoke the violet flame if you forgot in the beginning. So how to invoke the violet flame? First of all, prayer. Before you start the healing, your process, whatever, you say the prayer. I humbly request the violet color flame to be present with me to absorb all the negative energies. Now, after that, you visualize the violet flame in any corner of the place. अब उसके लिए बेस्ट डायरेक्शन क्या है? दैट इज साउथ ईस्ट. ठीक है, इन द साउथ ईस्ट एरिया ऑफ योर रूम, जहां भी आप रूम में बैठे हैं. So in that prayer you include, I humbly request the violet color flame to be present with me to absorb all the negative energies. And just hold yourself a few seconds and you visualize there's burning fire in violet color present here in front of you. Now, when you start with the process, after while doing the process, keep collecting the negative energies and blowing it out in that flame only. Right? At the end, आफ्टर आपको 10 बार उसको ऑब्जॉर्व कराना है, 10 बार कराइए, 2 बार कराना है, 2 बार कराइए. At the end, now keep blowing all the negative energies in the violet flame while performing the healing process. At the end, thanks the violet flame, and you pray, I thank you for absorbing all the negative energies and I request you to go back to the resources. ठीक है, फ्लेम को इन्वोक करना है, फिर ग्रैटिट्यूड पे करना है, एंड we request the violet energy to go back to the resources.